Welcome to a new episode! In this episode, we're continuing with our sanitary building. Here at the back of the building, we're going to make a place to dump your toilet of the camper vans. So at first I wanted to pour a concrete floor, build walls around it, tile it, and then place a toilet there to dump it. But I don't feel like doing that much work anymore on the sanitary building. So we're going to do it a bit more quickly and easier. So for the kids I built a sandbox, which they can play in if the sand ever arrives. And for that I use these wooden boards. And I've still got some left. So that should make a suitable base for the floor. And then I've got some scrap material leftovers from the sanitary building itself. So that will be an okay framing. So let's get started. now we've got a floor. Now we've got to put something on top of this. So in the previous video about the sanitary building, you could see an insane amount of crazy hot water coming off the roof. Well, I redirected that into tubing down here to the connection where our dropping system will be. So now I'm going to mount it in a kind of permanent situation. Maybe in the future we'll see if we can like recycle it for watering plants and stuff, but for now we're going for the easiest option, and that's just let it flow into the sewage. Right, so that's the sewage. Now let's get the rest of this toilet mounted. Alright, that's the toilet. Now the water connection. All finished. Now let's see if it works. Open up the valve inside. Over here. There we go. I hear water running. It's filling up. Let's see if this one works. That works. The reservoir has stopped filling. Let's see if it actually flushes. Here we go. It works all right. Awesome. The first flush. Now it does look a bit weird, huh? A toilet outside when you have a sanitary building over here. But if I think of the top 10 weird places we've deposited our camper toilet in the 1.5 years that we've traveled, this one wouldn't make that, to be honest. So I think it's a cheap, quick, easy and effective way of realizing this. Well, that was it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao! Oh, by the way, we finally opened up our area for the camper vans. So if you want to visit us, you can. You can find us on Port for Night, on Google Maps, and to make it easy, I'll put a link in the description. So who knows, maybe we'll see you here. And otherwise, we'll see you next week in the next video. Ciao!